In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to add a 3D perspective to a clip so it looks like it's tilted in space instead of being completely flat. This is a great way to make your edits more dynamic and visually interesting. Let's begin. First, place your clip on the timeline and select it. Now, go to the effects panel and search for corner pin. Drag the corner pin effect onto your clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. You'll see 4 adjustable corner points: upper left, upper right, lower right. To create a 3D perspective, start by adjusting one side of the clip. For example, slightly move the upper left and lower left points inward. This will make the left side appear further away. Now, slightly expand the opposite side by moving the upper right and lower right points outward. Immediately, the clip will look like it's angled in 3D space. You can also tilt it vertically. Move the top 2 corner points closer together and slightly widen the bottom 2 points. This creates the illusion that the clip is leaning backward. Make small adjustments. Subtle changes usually look more realistic than extreme distortions. If needed, slightly adjust scale or position from the motion controls to center the clip properly. When done correctly, your flat video now appears to have depth and perspective. And that's it. You now know how to add a 3D perspective to a clip using corner pin in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.